today I'm going to teach you how to use basic HTML in Weebly. This is incredibly useful if you want to add custom elements, embed special features, or have more control over specific parts of your website that standard Weebly elements don't cover. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites and settings. Now, direct your attention to the left menu on your screen. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it. This will reveal additional options related to your website management. From these options, click on Edit Site. This action takes you to a page where all your existing websites are displayed. Choose the specific website you want to edit from the list. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to enter the editor page of your chosen website. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize your site's appearance and functionality. On the top menu of the editor page, make sure you are on the Build tab. This tab is essential as it gives you access to all the building blocks and elements you can add to your website. It's your main workspace for designing and structuring your pages. Next, turn your attention to the left side menu where you'll find various elements you can add to your site. Look for an element called Embed Code. If you don't immediately see it in the visible list, don't worry, simply click on Show All Elements at the bottom of the menu. This will expand the list and reveal all available elements, including the Embed Code option. Once you've located the Embed Code element, simply drag it onto your website wherever you want to insert your custom HTML. You can position it anywhere on the page, between existing elements, or in a completely new section. After you've placed it, click on the element you just added. A prompt will appear, and you'll see an option that says Edit Custom HTML. Click on this option. A text box will now appear on your screen, and this is where the real customization begins. In this text box, you can insert your basic HTML code. Whether you're adding a custom form, embedding a video player, or inserting any other HTML element, simply paste or type your code here. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use basic HTML in Weebly, giving you far more flexibility and control over your website's design and functionality. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.